Hi, I'm Matt Shapleski, the service manager with Russ Darrow Mazda Greenfield, located at 3520 South 108th Street. Talking today about spring cleaning and some of the tips you can do to help your vehicle out and get ready for the springtime and these April showers that are going to be coming. One thing that we offer is going to be replacing your wiper blades, and if you have a Mazda, we can definitely replace the inserts. Otherwise, if you have other makes and models, we can replace the whole blade for you. We do have many options in stock. Mazda blades, the inserts start at $14, so a nice, great alternative to replacing the blades. Another thing that we can do is replace your cabin air filter. Cabin air filter actually helps keep the pollutants out of your vehicle, and just like your home furnace, so that starts out at $49.95. The other thing that we can offer is a full vehicle detail, which is a great way to get your car in shape and ready for the summertime and getting everything nice and clean, getting rid of all that salt that's in the bottom of the floor, and just making sure everything looks nice for you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We're located right here at 3520 South 108th Street.